Yeah, man, those logs are intimidating. I'm gonna have another look at them.
Sound good?
Nah.
What's going on? Dying.
Yeah. Let me just blood around a bit. But no, I can't ride like that.
But it was okay that 2 weekends ago.
Yeah, it was brilliant. No issue. That problem that I mentioned, that hose gets clogged, but also that sensor could actually be faulty. So maybe both were the actual problem. I only cleared out the hose. I'll pull the hose out again, have a look through it. We'll see if it's clogged. If it is, that'll probably be it. I might replace the sensor anyway.
What are you going on?
Yep. No good.
Far out. That's not just a little leak.
No.
It's pissing out.
Is it?
It's pouring out. Get some video. Yeah, it's pouring out.
Well, do you want to go get a coffee?
Let's go get something to eat.